So what got me into fashion was just the love of storytelling. We really want to focus on talking about this process to excellence, and that is a fight and it's a grind. Hey, this is Blair Caffey from Honor Roll Clothing, and welcome to my night school. For me, the things that get me excited about fashion and about designing, it's this process of exploring something new and exploring an idea. Even like with the textiles we use, like we put a lot of detail in making sure that there's a connection point between the product we're developing, the story we're telling, and everything that's in between that. Currently, Honor Roll is doing really good, man. We're in the season of growth, and right now, we're doing business with Foot Locker, and aside from the I guess like the boost in the retail exposure that we have, what I'm really excited about what we're doing right now is community events like night school. It's important for creatives and designers to try new things, right? So long as like that's happening, right? And there's some integrity with the work that's being done, man. Like there's so many things that I haven't done. Like I actually think that I'm a cool designer, but I've seen people's work that are way better than mine. And again, that gets me excited, right? That inspires me to want to do more. So, the more other people are creating, the more I get inspired to create. And man, round and round we go with this thing. I think fashion is important because one, everybody gotta wear clothes. And then with that, you're able to kind of express a lot of things about yourself through what you're wearing. All right, so coming to our night school, this is what you can expect. If you have never started a clothing line before and you have a desire to, this is what we'll be covering. We're gonna be spending time around those things, and hopefully by the time we leave each other, what you'll also be able to kind of take away is, again, like your own personal brand identity. So if you are thinking about starting a brand, you just started a brand, or you've been in for a minute and you want just some more information, you want to be in community to kind of talk through some of these things, this is going to be the perfect place to do it at.